A very good morning, student. Are you all welcome to the online class? Today we are going to see the gametogenesis. I hope you all are active in this class. What we have seen in the yesterday class, that is the last class, we have seen a structure of male and female reproductive system. I hope you have to remember to the topic and concept also. Today we are going to see the gametogenesis. Here gametes, we already say that a gametes means gonads. Gonads nale, they are involvement of both male and female male and female gametes இல்லைங்களா male and female gametes. Here a genesis which mean formation. What does a genesis which mean a formation? So formation of gonads na male and female sex organs na gonads னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, if you have taken a male க்கு is given a sperm. We said a sperm, and a female we said a ovum. For yesterday class we have seen a sperm where they are formed in that seminiferous tubule. Here ovum where they are formed in that ovary part. Here both of them are called as a gametogenesis. It involvement of a spermatogenesis is the sperm and oogenesis is the ovum. Spermatogenesis is the sperm and formation of ovum is oogenesis is ovum. Here they are in the form of haploid cell. We already say that haploid, which means they are having a separate male and separate female. When they are fused together only we call it as a diploid. They are produced here. Haploid cells are produced through the gametogenesis. Let me see there one by one. First we are going to see the male and next one a female. Here a male, the male gametogenesis is a sperm. Let me see the structure of a sperm. Let's see the first one, structure of human sperm. Here a first sperm, they are having a three parts. It consists of a three parts. A first one is the head, and next one is the middle piece, and next one is the tail. So this is what a three parts of a spermatogenesis. Here the sperm head is enlarged in portion. What they are said here, sperm head is enlarged in portion. Here this is the what, head of a sperm. They are in the form of enlarged portion, and here they are having a condensation of a nucleus in that head portion. Just like this, they are containing a nucleus in the head portion, and here anterior portion. In that anterior portion they are having a cap like structures. Here the anterior portions, this is an anterior, right? This is the posterior. For the anterior portion they are having a cap like structure. The name is acrosome. What is the name for that? Acrosome. Here acrosome, they are containing a special enzyme. The name is hyaluronidase. What is the enzyme they are contained here? Hyaluronidase. Here this is an important 2 marks to you. What is the enzyme they are present in the acrosome? Just you have to write in a what? Hyaluronidase enzyme. Here what is the major function of acrosome? That is a secret of enzyme, right? Hyaluronidase. It help to entry of a sperm in the egg. எக்குக்குள்ள ஸ்பெர்மை என்டர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு just they are secrete the hyaluronidase. They are get ruptured the ovum ஓவமுடைய வால் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அது ஜஸ்ட் ரூப்சர் பண்ணிட்டு ஸ்பெர்மை என்டர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அக்ரோசோமில் இருக்க ஹையலுரோனிடேஸ் என்சைம் ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருப்பாங்க. அட் தட் ஹியர் and next one they are having a neck portion, a short neck portion. They are connected to the middle piece. Here this is the what? Middle piece. Here in this middle piece, they are comprises of a centrioles. The middle piece they are comprises of what? A centrioles. And here the middle piece they are contain one part to that. That is the mitochondria. What is the name for this? Mitochondria. Here in this mitochondria, just they are providing the energy to the sperm for the movement of a tail part. Here a mitochondria provide the energy to the sperm, the tail part, just in the form. What is a major function of a tail part? Na? A sperm motile. Sperm motile. What is a motile? Motility is in a what? Tail part. Okay, motility, which means movements. A mitochondria providing energy to the tail part for the sperm motility. Here sperm motile பண்ணாதான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், அதால மூவ் பண்ணி யூட்ரஸை போய் ரீச் பண்ணி அங்க இருக்க ஓவம் கூட ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so that's it for a structure of human sperm. Let me recall once again. Just have to see this. A first thing, a structure of human sperm, they are considered of three parts. A first one is the head, and next one is the middle piece, and next one is the tail. So this is the three parts of an human sperm. And here this is the structure of human sperm. The first thing, they are contained a large enlarged part, that is the head part. In that head part, they are comprises of a nucleus. The center la nucleus இருக்குங்களா black colorல. So this is what? A nucleus in that anterior and posterior. ரெண்டு part இருக்குல்ல ஹெட்ல, anterior part, posterior part. Anterior partல பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா they are having a cap like structure. Cap மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கா. The name is acrosome. Acrosome, அந்த கேப்புக்கு நேம் acrosome. Acrosomeல ஒரு enzyme secrete ஆகுது. They called as a hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase என்றது என்னது? Enzyme where they are secreted in that acrosome. Acrosome தான் hyaluronidase secrete பண்றாங்க. What is a major function of hyaluronidase na? Just they are help to entry of the sperm. Help the sperm to enter into the, where they are getting enter? In the ovum. Ovum குள்ள enter ஆவறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுறாங்க. Sorry for this. Enter of ovum. Ovum குள்ள enter ஆவறதுக்கு இந்த enzyme helpful இருக்காங்க. And next one, here they are having a short neck portion, help to join the head and middle piece. Middle piece ஐயும் head portion ஐயும் join பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு short neck portion இருக்காங்க. Here they are act as a centrioles. In that middle piece they are contain a mitochondria. Here a mitochondria உடைய major function தெரியும், power house of the cell ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. Here a mitochondria provide energy to the tail part. Here a tail உடைய functions பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா that is a sperm motility. Sperm motility na movement. Okay ma, movement நாலே ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு travel பண்ணி போறதான movement சொல்லுவோம். Here spermக்கு movement கொடுக்கிறது யார் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா tail. அப்போ சில டைம்ல பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன் நடக்காம இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஏன்னா சில பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பெர்ம் பார்த்தோம்னா ப்ராப்பராக டெவலப் ஆகாம இருக்கலாம். இன்கேஸ் ஹெட் பார்ட்டும் மிடில் பார்ட்டும் நல்லா டெவலப் ஆனாலும் டெயில் பார்ட் டெவலப் ஆகலனாலும் தே ஆர் நாட் ஹேப்பன் ஃபார் எனி ஃபர்டிலைசேஷன். பிகாஸ் இங்கே ஸ்பெர்ம் மூவ் பண்ணி போகணும், அப்போது டெயில் ரீஜியனில் மொட்டைலிட்டி நடக்கணும். ஓகே, so that's it for a structure of human sperm. I hope you have to understand to that a structure of human sperm. Let me move on next one, structure of ovum.